GitHub Copilot, the AI coding assistant. Introduction. Imagine having an AI assistant that helps you write code, fix bugs, explain complex logic, and speed up development, all without leaving your code editor. That's GitHub Copilot, an AI-powered coding assistant developed by GitHub in collaboration with OpenAI. It helps developers write better code faster, whether you're a beginner or an experienced programmer. Main features 1. AI code completion. GitHub Copilot suggests code as you type, from single lines to complete functions, helping you code much faster. 2. Natural language to code. Simply describe what you want in plain English, and Copilot generates the code automatically. 3. Multi-language support. It supports popular programming languages such as Python, JavaScript, C#, Java, C++, Go, PHP, SQL, and many more. 4. Bug fixing and code explanation. Copilot helps identify errors, suggests fixes, and explains existing code in simple language, making debugging and learning easier. 5. Copilot Chat. You can ask questions like, explain this code, fix this error, optimize this function, generate unit tests, all directly inside your IDE 6. Documentation and refactoring. Copilot can generate comments, documentation, and suggest cleaner, more efficient code. Upcoming updates. GitHub Copilot is becoming even more powerful with exciting new features. Smarter AI agents that can handle larger coding tasks. Better understanding of entire projects for more accurate suggestions. Faster and higher quality code generation. Improved debugging and code review capabilities. Enhanced support for enterprise teams and collaboration. More programming languages and framework support. More natural voice and conversational coding experiences. Conclusion. GitHub Copilot is changing the way developers build software by making coding faster, smarter, and more efficient. Whether you're learning to code or building large-scale applications, GitHub Copilot is an invaluable AI coding partner. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI and software development content.